Welcome to Planter Garden TV. How you guys doing today? Alright guys, today what we actually doing, we're trying to root some of these cassava cuttings, right? We had a cassava harvest, so we actually using back the stalks now for cuttings, because what we actually doing, we're trying to create more plants for next season. And right now we in November, so what we're doing, we're cutting them to pieces and we actually putting them in a container of water. And I know for a fact that this works perfectly. I know that. Why I know that, I'm going to show you in a few minutes why I know it works perfectly. Now we have this big stalk right here, and I'm also going to add that in the water. This is the actually stalk from the roots, but I'm just going to add it in the water just to see if it's going to come back. So I think this have enough inside of this. Yes, this have enough inside of it. All I do, I have like 1.5 inches water in the container. We also have this bucket as well, which I'm going to be stocking some down inside of it. All right, stocking a few inside of it. So let me cut this one. Maybe remember guys, you need your cutting, your clipping to cut these properly. I don't have mine around right now, so I'm actually just doing it in this way. But it's wise to have the proper tools that you could get the job done proper. All right, if you notice where I'm cutting it between the two eyes. Then I'm going to stock this area down between, you see, and I stock it down in the water.